The 5-year publisher parish H index. And so you only have to do this if you come into the Google Scholar Metrics and you type in a journal that doesn't exist in the Google Scholar Metrics. I'm going to put in the journal Distance Education. And I'll search for that one. Notice this one exists with an H5 index of 21. So this is the journal that I'm going to use, though you wouldn't have to do it if you had an H5 index. I'm also going to click on this just to show you that the H5 index is the H index for these 5 years, 2007 to 2011. So those are the same years that you're going to use in the publisher parish software. So I'm going to minimize my browser. I'm going to come here to Publisher Harzing's Publish or Perish. I'm going to stick in the years on the Journal Impact tab of 2007 to 2011. I'm going to put in Distance Education as the journal. I found that the exclusion, when I put in exclusion words, it doesn't work properly, so I don't put in exclusion words. Say look up direct. We'll look for these journals. It maxes out at 1,000 results, so that's why the number will be a little bit different than what we see in the Google Scholar metrics. So down here it lists all of the journals that it found that have distance education in the title. So look, we have review of distance education, we have all kinds of stuff, and the current H index is 22 right here. And so what you need to do to get this a little more accurate, I sort based on the publication, and then I uncheck everything. So I can say uncheck all, so they're all unchecked, and then I'm going to go select the ones that are just distance education. So that's going to be there down through about here. Oops. So I select all those, and I'm going to say check selection. Notice it puts my publisher parish index up to about 20. So that's really close to the 21 that's listed in the Google Scholar metrics. If I wanted, I could come in here anywhere where there's something else, just uncheck those individual ones and go up throughout and do that. So anyway, that is how it's done. So this would be the number that I would put the H index of 20 for the 5-year publish or perish.